Apple is preparing to introduce its latest iPad Air models, featuring the upgraded M4 chip, which is set to replace the M2 chip in current versions. Apple CEO Tim Cook recently teased an upcoming product launch on social media, posting a cryptic message on X that read, "There's something in the air." This phrase, which Apple previously used during the launch of the first MacBook Air in 2008, strongly hints at the arrival of new Air-branded devices. The teaser has fueled speculation about Apple's upcoming announcements, with industry analysts expecting major updates to the MacBook Air and iPad Air lineups. Reports indicate that Apple stores worldwide are experiencing dwindling stocks of the M2 iPad Air, suggesting an imminent product launch. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the M4 MacBook Air will be Apple's primary focus in the immediate future, with the iPad Air expected to follow shortly after. The company is anticipated to take a staggered approach to these releases, similar to its recent strategy with the iPhone 16e, allowing each product to receive its share of market attention. The upcoming iPad Air will maintain the same design as its predecessor while skipping an M3 chip upgrade in favor of the more advanced M4. This approach mirrors Apple's strategy with the OLED iPad Pro, ensuring that the new tablet benefits from enhanced performance. However, there is speculation that the M4 chip used in the iPad Air could be a binned variant, meaning it may have slightly lower performance compared to the chips reserved for Apple's high-end devices. Despite this, the M4 iPad Air is expected to deliver a significant boost in efficiency and speed over previous models. Alongside the iPad Air, Apple is set to refresh its standard iPad lineup with the iPad 11. This new model is expected to retain its current design and exclude Apple Intelligence features to keep costs low. Unlike premium models, it will not include the A17 Pro chip, and it remains uncertain whether Apple's 5G C1 modem will be integrated. So far, the company has not disclosed any major design or hardware changes, focusing instead on refining performance while maintaining affordability. Meanwhile, Apple will also launch the M4 MacBook Air, available in 13-inch and 15-inch variants. This new model will introduce several upgrades, including expanded RAM capacity up to 32 GB, faster memory bandwidth, 2 additional CPU cores, and a 12-megapixel center stage camera for improved video conferencing. One of the key enhancements is broader external display support, allowing users to power 2 external monitors while keeping the built-in display active. Apple is expected to announce the M4 MacBook Air via a press release this week, ahead of the iPad Air launch, following a staggered rollout strategy to maximize attention on each product. While an official announcement date has not been disclosed, industry sources suggest that the M4 iPad Air and iPad 11 will launch sometime in late March or April. Pricing details remain uncertain, but given Apple's past trends, the iPad Air is expected to retain a similar price point to its predecessor.